Now we also have the secondary function keys. Let's look at some of the important secondary function keys. So if I press second function and press PV, I'll enter the amortization worksheet. We also have the begin mode. Okay, so if I press second function and press PMT, we'll notice that the calculator is in end mode. So we normally use the end mode for ordinary annuities, but if you have a question on annuity due, you have to put the calculator in begin mode. So to put the calculator in begin mode, we'll press second function, we'll press enter. Okay, so the calculator is now in begin mode. So let's return it back to end mode, second function, enter. Okay, so the calculator is now in end mode. Now we also have the statistics worksheet. Okay, so if we want to enter the statistics worksheet, we'll press second function, we'll press 7. Okay, so this is the data component of the statistics worksheet. If you want to enter the display component of the statistics worksheet, you press second function, you press 8. Okay, so this takes us to the display component of the statistics worksheet. We also have the bond worksheet. Okay, so to enter the bond worksheet, we press second function, we press 9. Okay, so we use this worksheet when we are trying to determine things like the accrued interest, the flat price of a bond, and the modified duration. We also have the depreciation worksheet. So to enter that, we'll press second function, then we'll press 4. Okay, so this takes us to the depreciation worksheet. So we can calculate the depreciation expense using different depreciation methods. We also have the percentage change worksheet. So we'll press second function, we'll press 5. Okay, so we use this worksheet to determine the percentage changes in price. Then we have the break-even worksheet. So if we want to enter it, we'll press second function, we'll press 6. Okay, so with this worksheet, we can calculate the break-even quantity. Then we have the profit margin worksheet. So to enter this one, you press second function, then you press 3. Okay, so this takes us to the profit margin worksheet. The next one is the interest conversion worksheet. Okay, so you press second function, you press 2. Okay, so with this we can enter the interest conversion worksheet. Now we also have the date worksheet. So to access the date worksheet, you press second function, you press 1. Okay, so this takes us to the date worksheet. We also have the memory worksheet. So to enter the memory worksheet, you press second function, you press 0. Okay, so this takes us to the memory worksheet. Now if you want to get the last value you calculated with this calculator, you are going to press second function and you press answer. Okay, so this gives us the last value that was calculated with the calculator.